The e-learning industry has grown by over 900% since 2000 and continues to grow. You don't want to miss out on getting a piece of this pie. And one of the best things about online courses is they generate passive income, money that keeps coming in even after you've finished making your courses. And what's great about Skillshare is it's simpler than you think. In this video, I'll cover 5 points on Skillshare and show you why getting paid on Skillshare is something worth considering. Skillshare is simply a site that offers online classes, but it happens to have over 35,000 different classes to choose from, all made by over 8,000 teachers just like you and me. The point is, you don't have to be a teacher by trade to teach on this platform. Topics vary, of course, but are mostly focused on creative skills and can be as short as 10 minutes or as long as several hours. What I see to be the biggest benefit on Skillshare for people like you and me is that they already have an existing audience and you don't have to market your courses. Because Skillshare is so large, because they have such a huge subscriber base, students can easily find your courses on their own and take them without having to pay extra. Let me explain. What's different about Skillshare is that they're membership driven. Once a student becomes a paid member on Skillshare, they have complete, full access to all courses. That means if they watch one course, they can watch another and another, as many as they possibly can consume within that year's subscription, let's say. That's a lot of access. And teachers like you and me get paid by the number of minutes watched on the platform, which can vary anywhere between 5 cents per minute to 10 cents per minute. And this really adds up, especially as you add more classes and pick up popularity. Trust me, I'm a teacher on Skillshare and I make thousands of dollars of passive income monthly. And I'm not even required to pay a membership fee. And neither will you. You just need to produce decent classes. If you're curious, have a look at my own profile and get a feel for things. I'll leave links to Skillshare and my personal page in the description. For me, Skillshare is fantastic. It generates passive income and continually goes up as the months pass. What's great is that I no longer have to add to the platform if I don't want to. It keeps paying me with little to no additional effort. And you could set up the same passive income stream as well. So in my opinion, yes, it's worth it. But Skillshare has a competitor. So if what you've seen so far interests you, you might want to have a look at this video right here.